Wow, this is a unique way to make money. I need to check this out. What? You get paid to do what?
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you a unique way to make money and get paid $500. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I tell you this unique way to make money online, I want you to check out the free giveaways I have in the description below. Now, these free giveaways will help you make money online. So, to get these free giveaways, you have to subscribe to this channel. So, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe now. And what you're going to do is go to that link in the description under free giveaways, and it's going to take you to a website, and at that website you'll be able to get the 3 free gifts that I have for you guys. Also, I have other goodies down there in the description below that you can check out now. You can click on this one link that'll pay you right now just for signing up. So just click on that link below in the description. Alright, please watch this video to the very end because I have a proposition for you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you the unique way to make money and get paid $500. So let's grind and let's get it.
Alright, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Airmule. That's AIRMULE. And what this website does is pay people to travel and be a carrier. So what you do is when you go to a different country, you're going to go to an Airmule station they have at the airport, and you're going to be transporting their luggage. It could be some luggage, it could be whatever they are that Airmule provides for you to take to transport. Now, I know you're probably thinking, is this stuff illegal, or is it legal or not? And it's going to be all verified and everything's legal, and plus you'll be able to check it out to see what's in the package that you're taking. So they pay you to take it from one country to another. And let's go down here and read about it, see how it works. And as you can see, it's backed by a lot of companies, big time companies. And how it works: list your trip, register as a available onboard carrier by listing your flight details on our platform. Then you receive container, pick up Airmule travel box from us at your departure airport before takeoff. Then the last thing, you complete delivery, then drop it off to us at your arrival airport after retrieving it from baggage claim. So that's all you do. Now here is some of what users are saying right here. It's a wonderful experience. Wonderful experience working with Airmule. Very friendly staff and easy money to make. Life-changing. Life-changing. Thank you so much for making traveling to China affordable. You guys are the freaking best. So here it says it's safe, It's simple, safe, and secure. We're making the onboard carrier industry simpler and more accessible than ever. And as I said before, the shipments are verified. They say each AirMule travel box includes a digital manifest complete with photos and descriptions so you know exactly what is being shipped. And here's the best part: direct deposit. Once your delivery is complete, earnings are deposited directly into your bank account. That is very convenient. All right, let's go to routes. Okay, I'm here at the routes page, and here it says supported routes and countries. So the payouts are different based on routes. Please refer to the following charts. So from US to China is 150. So if you have one luggage, that's 150. And from China to US, that's 100. And from US to India is 150. So if you go from US to China, you get $150. If you go back to US, that's $100. Now, if you bring a friend with you, they're going to also get paid too. So as you can do that, you can do that back and forward, go back and forward, and you can get up to $500. So some other countries are even higher, like from US to Iceland, that's 250. From US to Dubai, that's 300. US to London, that's 240. US to France, that's 280. So if you like to travel and you travel to other countries, or you about to get ready to travel another country, you can use this website to make some money. All right, that's all for this website.
All right, now you know the unique way to make money and get paid $500. So go ahead and sign up, start traveling, and start making that money. All right, thank you for watching this video to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the proposition I want to offer to you guys. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is just leave a comment down below in this video and all my videos that's leading up to the 500 subscriber video. I'm currently at 342, so I got a little ways to go, but I know I can get there with you guys' help. What I'm going to do is once I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and reward that person with $20 cash via PayPal or a $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. And the second person, I'm going to reward them with $10 cash via PayPal. So if you're new, please destroy that subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Come on guys, let's get to 500 subscribers so I can give away this money. It's itching my hand, it's itching. I'm ready to give out this money. I can get there with you guys' help. Just help me out so I can give away this money. Help me so I can help you. All right, that's all I have for this video. Please hit that like button if you like what I talked about today. Drop a comment down below so I can give away this free money. Share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Reddit. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Because I make videos like this every day. All right, I'm done. Finito, fin. Now, if you're going to be bored and don't have nothing else to do after this, you can just stay on my channel and watch my most recent video right here, right after I tell you this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.
This is Grind TV.